we're going to demonstrate with some duct tape. I have always wanted to do this. You're just going to need another piece for your mouth.
This is only fake. We're only going to show how to do it. We're not really, you know, kidnapping her.
Very tight. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. All right, stand up and with all your might.
Okay.
And you're going to go like this and then like that.
Okay, ready? I can't do it. I'm nervous. Okay, ready?
Oh, almost. Show me how you ripped it.
Somewhat.
Oh,
Wait.
wow. Do it again.
Oh, it hurts. Okay, ready?
You want me to just cut it?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's all it goes.
Dang. But I mean, if it was an emergency.
Oh.
Cool.
My turn.
Okay.